The Dynasty family consists of the 210, 300, 400, and 800. The Dynasty lets you unleash more capabilities, take on more complex jobs, and produce quality welds. Let's talk about the differences in each of these models. The model you purchase is going to depend on your application and the amperage needs. The small frame Dynasty 210 and 300 utilize a 4.3-inch LCD screen. These models are more portable for applications requiring a mobile machine. The Dynasty 210 is recommended for AC and DC applications up to a 1/4 inch thick, while the Dynasty 300 is good for up to 3/8 inch thick material. Within the Dynasty family is the Dynasty 300 Multiprocess, which has MIG and flux cord capabilities, utilizing the ArcReach Suitcase 8 or 12 wire feeders. The Dynasty 400 and 800 are going to be utilized for heavier applications. The Dynasty 400 is good for AC and DC applications up to 5/8 of an inch thick. The Dynasty 800 can weld up to 1 inch thick material. The Dynasty 400 and 800 both utilize a 7-inch LCD display and have an optional cart when portability is needed. This is just an overview of the Dynasty family. For more detailed information, go to millerwelds.com/dynasty.